With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question is, name the type of energy possessed by the bob of a simple pendulum when it is at the extremum position, the mean position, and between the mean and the extremum positions. So, when the bob is at the extremum position, then the velocity is 0. So, the kinetic energy will be 0, only potential energy will be present. B part. When the bob at the mean position, the velocity is maximum, so the only kinetic energy is present and potential energy will be 0. When the bob between the mean and the extremum position, then the kinetic energy and potential energy both are present. So this is answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.